Alright guys, so some of you didn't know, on these S10 Blazers and the S10 pickups, for your trailer wiring, to hook up your wiring for a trailer, like your four prong plug here to hook up for a trailer. There's a wiring harness back up underneath here, guys, on the driver's side in the back. And you'll have, there'd be like a pigtail of wires right here in this area, guys, for your S10 pickups and your S10 Blazers. And right in here, there'll be some wires that'll be wrapped in like this black electrical tape. You might have to unwrap some of the tape to get to the end of the wires. But there's 6 wires in there for your hookup, to hook up for your trailers. So it's right here in this location, right here, back here behind your rear bumper, guys. And what I did for mine here, this one, I put me in a little box here, guys, for to kind of help store that wiring up in there. This way it's not just dangling around out here. Some people don't. They just let their wire hang out here. And I figured this would be a little bit better way to, you know, protect the wiring and stuff, to keep it in this little like box. What it is a little plastic electrical box, like you would use to put in a recep or a wall switch for your house. And all I did, bought one of them blue plastic ones there at the hardware store, and then I just painted it black, and then I mounted up here to the bumper with a couple of self-tapping screws here, guys. And also, guys, before you splice your wires, like I said, there's 6 wires. This one here, I had 6 wires coming out of here. The other, I'm guessing, for a 6-way plug. And I just normally use a 4-way plug for my 2 trailers that I use. And there was 2, I think there was 2 green wires there, because they're pretty much color coded, but it looked like I had 2 green wires there, and I wasn't sure which one I needed. So I went ahead and hooked all the wiring, just loosely hooked the wiring together. And then I took a voltmeter here, guys, and I wanted to make sure, you want to make sure that you're getting your wiring hooked up correctly before you splice them together here for your pigtail. And best way to do it, guys, is really to so you have trouble-free connections, would be to solder them wires together. You can buy those crimpers and crimp them, but eventually, after so many years, them you probably start having some problems with them. What they do is they corrode up, and then you start losing connection for some of your lights on your trailer. So I always solder mine together, and then I take some that shrink tubing and shrink tube each wire, and then I take a bigger shrink tube and then shrink tube all of them together there. This way they won't corrode up on you and stuff. The only thing that's going to really corrode would be these right in here on your connector. I've had them corrode up on me before, and they do make a little plug, a little cap that goes over these. You can put a little cap on there, or you just put your little penetrating oil or something in there to keep them from corroding up, because they will corrode up on you, especially if you live area where you get snow and a lot of salt and stuff up in there, they will eventually corrode up on you, and then you'll start having some problem. You'll have to scrape that corrosion out of there until you get a good connection for your trailer lights again. But anyways, guys, I thought I'd throw that out there for some people that might not know, you know, to wire up. You can wire these up, or they already got the pigtail up behind the bumper here on the driver's side to hook your wiring up for your trailer, to hook up for trailer towing. So guys, that'll pretty much wrap this video up on how to do that, wiring up for your trailer connection here on an S10 pickup truck or a S10 Blazer. Probably GMC Sonoma is probably the same way. So that'll wrap this video up on that, guys.